So in this video, we're going to do a single arm shoulder press on the Hammer Strength machine. Your gym might have a different brand, but it's just a plate loaded machine and they are very often leaned back. So key thing is you're not going to press forward, you're going to press up over your ear, and because you're leaned back, it will feel like you're kind of pressing backward. The number one reason why I'm having you do a single arm is because oftentimes you're stronger with one arm versus using both at the same time. So it's going to be a good way to increase your strength, but it's also a very good core exercise as long as you're not leaning to one side when you're pressing. So as you get a little bit heavier, you're going to want to lean with it, but really engage those abs and do not let your body lean to one side. One thing that will also help you do that is you'll see my heels are touching the ground. Spread your legs, put your heels on the ground, really dig your heels into the ground, using your full body to keep your body upright as well as your abs. To adjust the seat, all you're going to do is just pull the front part of it up and then lower it or raise it depending on where you want it. You'll see me tap the front part of the seat to make sure it's in place. Oftentimes, if you don't do that, it might fall on you, so make sure that it's steady before you sit down. With the seat height, you want to make sure that you don't have to dip or round your shoulders to get underneath the handles, so it might take a couple adjusting to figure out what's comfortable, but you should just be able to lean back and be right underneath the handles without adjusting your body to do so.